Here's how to pay estimated taxes with TurboTax. Technically, you're not paying them, you're entering them into TurboTax, so whatever you already paid. But if you do need to pay estimated taxes, you can do that with the links in the description that take you to the IRS website about paying your quarterly or estimated taxes. Now, in TurboTax, when you're filing, you would be entering in your estimated tax payments. And to do that, you've got to get back to the federal and then income section where you see deductions and credits, and we're going to go through where to find that. If you're trying to file right now your taxes, you can actually save 20% on any TurboTax federal product with the link in the description. There's an affiliate link down there. I earn a commission, but you also save 20%. And so that's in the pinned comment or description down below. You go to deductions and credits. And if you have already been through this, then you can click on it. If you haven't, then I would click on federal and start going through it, or click on income if that's where you are and start going through it. But if you're kind of going back trying to find this spot, then go to deductions and credits first. Now you may not be able to just click directly on deductions and credits, so you might have to kind of go in here and click on the deductions and credit summary in this drop down. That'll take you to the summary of all the deductions and credits. Now there will be some up here that may relate to you, may not, but you can also see add more tax breaks button down here, or if you have already been through this, you might actually see them. So if we click that button, we're going to see all the other possible tax breaks and things, and one of those is estimated and other taxes paid. So entering in taxes already paid. We drop that down and we can see estimated tax payments, and we can start that section or revisit it if you're trying to find that section again. So when we start that section, you're going to see that we have these estimated tax payments in this first tab, payments with extension, 2024, like all these different descriptors depending on your tax situation. So estimated tax payments would be the most likely spot that you're on this video for. And you've got federal and state and then local if it applies, and then 2024 paid in 2025. So you just kind of follow through this section. You would start one of these sections, in this case the federal. It tells you it's not common, but if you're on this video, you probably already know that you need to fill them in. And so I would say yes, and then I would basically enter in each of the amounts paid for the different quarters of estimated taxes. So each estimated tax payment, there's 4 of them during the year. What did I pay? You know, if it was 500 each time, or maybe it was something different each time, I would fill that in. If you made additional payments, you can add them down here, and then you hit continue. And so then it tells you, okay, you paid a total of $2,000 federal estimated taxes. And you'll see that applied to like your refund and stuff. And it will also be entered in to this section. So you can see now instead of start, it says revisit because we have information entered. So we can revisit and change those numbers if we didn't quite have them the first time we were going through. But that's where you can find your estimated taxes as far as being able to enter them here on TurboTax. Like I said, there's an affiliate link in the description down below. Save you 20% on your TurboTax federal product. If you are entering in federal estimated taxes, then you do have to pay, at least for the deluxe edition of TurboTax, for the do-it-yourself edition, because that's when you are filing a Schedule C, which is where these payments go and all that kind of stuff. So there's different forms that get filed, and hopefully you guys can save a little bit of money with that affiliate link, and I really appreciate your support because it helps support this channel. Take care, you guys. Hopefully you have an easy time after finding this, just finishing out the rest of your taxes. And I'll see you in the next one.